Well, are you going to meet a buyer to do a buyer consult, or are you going to actually show a house? Those are the two different things. Ideally, if you're going to go and meet the buyer for the first time, okay, this is how you want to structure this thing. Let's say, for example, you're going and showing a house. You show the house, but prepare to actually take them maybe to a coffee shop or a diner or a restaurant where you can get to know them a little bit better, where you can actually share your value proposition. Why should they work with you and give you their business versus thousands of other agents out there? It also gives you an opportunity to really pre-qualify them, to make sure this is going to be a good fit for you. Not just getting pre-qualified with the lender, getting pre-qualified with you. Figure out that this is somebody that you actually want to spend time with, because there are going to be times and situations where they're not going to be a good fit for you. They're not going to be a good match for you, and vice versa. So you want to make sure that you sit down with them, ask them some questions, find out about their situation, their plans, their goals, their hurdles, their challenges, right? Share your value proposition and how you're going to be able to help them and assist them with their real estate needs.